Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams O5 Power 500. K41. What is the largest circle on Earth? Ans. Equator. K42. Which Indian leader is known as Iron Man of India? Ans. Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. K43. In whose memory was the Rock Memorial Shell Memorial dedicated at Kanyakumari? Ans. Swami Vivekanand. K44. In which city is Jallianwala Bagh situated? Ans. Amritsar, Punjab. K45. Which is the national bird of India? Ans. Peacock. K46. 46. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Ans. Lal Bahadur Shastri. K47. Who gave the famous quote, Government of the people, by the people, for the people? Ans. Abraham Lincoln. K48. Bodh Gaya is related to which religion? Ans. Buddhism. K49. Who was the founder of Sikhism? Ans. Guru Nanak Dev Ji. K50. When did the first train run in India? Ans. The 16th of April 1853. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.